Now we will be discussing how to create, read, and update pay grades using the pay grade module under the payroll subtab. So as we can see, we currently do not have any pay grades yet. So let's go ahead and create one. So we're going to give our pay grade a name and a salary per hour. So if we assign this pay grade to a staff, their salary per hour would be 100 pesos. And then for additions, let's go ahead and create one. So let's say transport allowance of 1,000 pesos. So in this scenario, we would add 1,000 pesos for every payslip issued to a staff that has this pay grade. So for example, if we were to issue a payslip on April 15 and April 3, they would have a transport allowance of 1,000 pesos for both April 15 and April 30. So in total, throughout the month of April, they would have had a transport allowance of 2,000 pesos in total. Now, if we do not want this to be the case, let's say we only want the staff to earn 1,000 pesos of transport allowance throughout the whole month of April instead of 2,000, we would have to divide 1,000 by 2. So that would be 500 pesos. And the reason for this is so that on April 15, they would earn 500 pesos. And then on April 30, they would again earn 500 pesos, totaling to 1,000 pesos. So that's for additions. Similarly, for deductions, we can also create deductions for each payslip. So this is similar to additions, it's just that it would be a deduction instead. So it's also deducted on a per payslip basis. So as an example, miscellaneous deduction of 50 pesos. Moving on to the government benefits. The government benefits are similar to deductions in that they are also deducted on a per payslip basis. So for SSS deduction, as an example, we would deduct 100 pesos for each payslip that has a staff assigned this pay grade. So that's 100 pesos that will be deducted for each payslip. And then owner contributions, these are just informational. They do not actually deduct from the payslip. It's more of informative so that the staff is aware of how much the owner is contributing. So let's go ahead and create this pay grade. And there we go. We've created that pay grade. So we can later assign this to a staff. So let's go ahead and read this. So what we've created. So the pay grade A, 100 pesos per hour, the transport allowance that we added, 500 pesos once again for every payslip. Oh, sorry, 500 pesos for each payslip. Similarly with deductions, 50 pesos for each payslip. And the government benefits are also here. And we can also update this pay grade using this button. So we're going to keep government benefits this way. Let's edit the miscellaneous deduction to 100 pesos just to see the changes. And for transport allowance, let's do 2,000 pesos every payslip. And let's change the name to pay grade B. And there we go. We can also see the changes we've made reflected in the app. And that is how to use the PayGrade module in order to create, read, and update pay grades. Thank you.